Normally open?
Oh, it's 5. Normally closed.
Normally closed.
Normally closed. What are the contact numbers for a normally closed relay?
87, 30, 87,
87, 87,
87,
80,
80,
30.
30.
Right? But this one doesn't have any numbers. It's an ISO. It's an ISO relay. So you're going to have to depend on this schematic. Okay. So if I'm looking at the schematic, right, then I need to know which two terminals are the coil terminals. In this case, if I look closely at the schematic, the square part that represents the coil is touching terminals 1 and 2. Terminal 1s and 2s are these two ends. Okay. So these two should have resistance. 95.1 ohms. Okay. So that's the coil side of the relay. Okay. So now I want to check the contact side of the relay. So what two terminals should be touching right now?
5 and 3.
Which one? 5 and 3?
4 and 3. 4 and 3.
4 and 3, which one's over here?
The one in the middle.
4 and 3, which would be 87A and 30 on the ISO relay. Okay. Now, how do I own the relay once I energize it? So now, when I energize it, then these two will have contact.
Yeah.
Look at the relay. You have to look at the relay in order to know that. It's going to move a little. It's going to move the lever to the other part. Now the other two are going to make contact. Okay.
Can I see it?
So, if I add current to 85, and I add current to 86, it should click, right? And then I'm going to own the other two. Do not own the ones that you added. Do not own the ones that you added current to, or the test is over, right? When I'm watching this, it's over. Right? It's over. The test is over. Make sure the tips aren't touching the other one either. It's 5 ohm. Now the other two have closed. Okay. So depends on which one you get. You test for. You either get one with the import. This is the import, by the way. Import relay. Or if you get a domestic one. Okay. You need to know how to do both of them. Questions? And remember, we said it didn't matter whether they were import or domestic. If they're ISO relays, they're interchangeable. They're interchangeable. Questions? Okay. From there, you're moving on to load testing.